Today I want to talk to you guys about the importance of obtaining a pre-approval letter when looking to purchase a home. This is a crucial step in the home buying process and can make all the difference in securing your dream home. I'm going to break it down into 3 parts. 1, what is a pre-approval? 2, why is a pre-approval so important? And 3, how the pre-approval helps you in submitting offers. But as always, before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to talk about in the future. Okay, let's get into it. Part 1, what is a pre-approval? A pre-approval is a document issued by a lender which details how much they are willing to loan you based on your financial information. The lender will review your income, credit score, and debt to determine how much you are eligible to borrow. Side note, if you haven't already watched my video on pre-approval versus pre-qualification, go back and watch that now because the two are very different. Once you have the pre-approval, you will know how much you can afford to spend on a property, and this will give you an advantage when you submit an offer. On to part 2. Why is a pre-approval letter so important, especially in today's market? In today's housing market, there is a high demand for homes, but there are not enough properties to meet the needs of all the buyers. This means that when you find a property that you want to purchase, you're likely going to be competing with other buyers for it. Having a pre-approval letter can give you an advantage in this situation because you will be able to submit the offer immediately. In a highly competitive market like San Diego or Southern California in general, it's all about moving quickly when you find that perfect home. Further into the importance of the pre-approval letter, interests are on the rise, making mortgages more expensive. Having a pre-approval will help you understand how much you will be paying each month for your mortgage. This will help you plan your budget and avoid overextending yourself financially. Additionally, a pre-approval before looking at homes will make the process of buying a home faster and more efficient. When you have your pre-approval letter before you start looking at homes, you won't have to wait for that mortgage application to be processed and potentially lose out on a home you already have fallen in love with. And lastly, part 3, how does the pre-approval letter help you in submitting offers? When you submit an offer on a home, you will typically be competing with other buyers. The seller will want to choose the offer that is most likely to go through and close quickly. If you have a pre-approval letter, this will show the seller that you are a serious buyer who is financially capable of closing the deal. This will give you an advantage over buyers who do not have a pre-approval letter because, after all, the pre-approval letter is required when submitting offers. Put yourself in the seller's shoes. Would you even look at someone without a pre-approval, aka the funds to purchase your home, when you have 2, maybe even 10 other buyers who have already secured the pre-approval letter and ready to go? No, right? The pre-approval can also help you be more strategic when submitting an offer. If you know how much you can afford to spend, you can submit an offer that is realistic and within your budget. This will help you avoid overbidding on a property, which can lead to financial problems down the line. In conclusion, obtaining the pre-approval letter is a crucial step in the home buying process. It will help you understand how much you can afford to spend on a property, give you an advantage when submitting an offer, and make the buying process faster and more efficient. If you're thinking about buying a home, be sure to get a pre-approval from a trusted lender. It'll make all the difference in securing your dream home.